as we are done with the side panel or the side front bumper fender part. So now we have to make the inner uh, angular object as I'm mentioning down right in here. So first is first, we're just gonna go to the front side. Let's go to the down and just get the entire edge loop extruded downwards, keeping that the active element, stretch it out. One more edge loop down in the middle. Just push it in the inside with SX. Oh, sorry, SY. Now we just sort of push it down in the front side, keeping the same point as the active element. Then just SX. Same thing over in the end. Or maybe we can just push it inside with the G. Now let's keep the opposite vertice as the active element and just push it inside with SX. And we can see the thick dark line is the gap between the front bumper and the carbon lip. So we don't have to worry anything about the big dark pathway in there. That's just a gap. So yeah. Now let's concentrate over on the bumper. Let's get a vague outline of the entire bumper. Oh, we just go to the upper side and just fix it from that point of view. Push it outside with G. Then deselect the previous vertex and just G. Just follow my steps over on the course. So we have a rough outline of the outer space, and now we have to add a couple more vertices so that we can just get the smooth curve. For now, it's just a triangle, so we have to fix that after we're done with this part over here. We're gonna add 6 vertices over there and just GY them. Place the first vertex there, then deselect with control. Place that one over there, then deselect with control, and which is just gonna go in the flow like that. Yeah. Since we cannot see the front bumper drawing from the top view, we have to make a vague imagination of how it could go. So, yeah. So we can see that the front bumper, its front bumper's end in the bottom, it's pushed outside a bit. So we can see that it's a little bit slanted. So let's extrude it up and then just SZ this, or we can just push it up like that manually. Just double G them alt to push it on the opposite side. Now what we have to do is we have to push it inside just a bit with GUI like that. Cool. Double G alt. Just GX them like that. Make sure the top one is the active element and then just push them inside with GUI. Let's get one more edge loop down in the midsection so that we can make a face. Nice. It may not be like that. No, 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 no. We have to have a triangle over there since we don't have any other option. If it hurts in the future, we have to improvise it and change it. But for now, it's not causing any issues, so we're just gonna keep it like that. And let's just push it inside, keeping that uh, last vertice as the active element. Let's skew it outside a bit now with SY. Skew it outside. Now SX skew it outside again. Seems nice. Seems nice for now. And then just make a face over here. Get this outside a bit for a smoother transition. Or maybe this one too a bit. So that we can have a gradual curvature. Just smooth it. No, it's causing some problems. Maybe it is with the normals. Press A, then Shift N to recalculate the normals, and it's fixed. Let's K, nice knife tool, and just make a quad over there. Nice. Looks far more better for now. Let's turn on the sub D, and it looks good for at least for now. We can just improvise it in the future. Let's get that outside too, the border lines, the vertices. push. Yeah, the curve should end at that place. So yeah, it looks much better now.